guys, it's a sad fucking day, bro. Like, just when I thought, like, you know, life couldn't get no much fucking worse, bro. Look at this shit. It's literally all fucked up. Everything's fucked up, bro. Like, come on, man. This shit is fucked up. Like, dude literally didn't stop. Just kept fucking going, bro. So this looks like where it hit at. Took most of the damage right here in the wheel. Then up here a little bit. Man, you got the heavy duty truck. That thing didn't take nothing. That's crazy, dude.
I'm sure Ford still makes those rims.
Right. And then you come over here.
Spare doesn't have a rim.
Right. It might have a spare back there. Yep, you got a spare.
I got a spare, but I don't know if it's got that.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Probably got a black one.
Man, that's crazy. It's a wrap, guys. It's a freaking wrap. Oh, man. Alright, now, it doesn't look like nothing in the engine bay really got jacked up, so we're good there. It's just a real bad fender bender, guys, but we're gonna try to start this thing and see if it even starts still. Pretty sure it does, and then we'll probably remove this bumper and just get this stuff situated. So let me see. At this point, it's like, shit, can I just yank it off or what? Like, fuck, dog. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna rip this bumper off and try to get it back home without towing it. We'll see what happens. Alright, we got the front bumper off. Everything's mangled, man. I'm just so upset doing this, like you don't even know. Let's see if it starts up, man. Let's see if we can get it started and get it out the road. Oh, it still starts. Still starts. That's a plus, but it's totally done. So yeah, let's try to get this stuff situated and get back to the house, man. I'm just so over it at this point. Man, still, bro. What's up, guys? So, you know, when it rains, it pours, and this is one of those freaking days, man. It's freaking pouring out here, raining, windy, and the car it's a wrap, dude. Dude smacked my car today, man. I can't win right now. It was all sunny right before I crashed, and then look, raining, pouring down, man. It's looking all bad for the Camaro, man. So we'll have to see what's going on with that. See what the insurance is gonna do. Because dude was at fault, and you know, it is what it is. No point in being mad, we just gotta figure it out. Oh, and this water is coming down and it's cold, so I'm gonna catch you. Next day here. We're gonna try a cold start on this joint, see what happens. It fires right up. Okay guys, next day here, gonna put these Camaro stocks on it before the insurance comes and picks it up, because I don't know if they're gonna total it or not, or whatever they're gonna do with it. But I'll have at least my wheels off the car so I can sell those bad boys. Somebody already wants to buy them. So when he got me a little 4-way, let's use this ghetto baby jack and see if we can get all 4 of these things off. Okay, I didn't think the V6 wheels were gonna clear, but they absolutely clear. So got one changed up. I can throw the bolts on that and get the rest switched out. Okay, so we got the second wheel off. You see how the inner fender is ripped up there. I guess how that front tire was scraping. That was that making that noise. And this tire is a bit worn. But oh well, let's throw them on there because I ain't driving it, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so it's early morning. Literally was supposed to go to work this morning. Forgot my badge to even get in the parking structure at work. So I don't think I'm gonna go to work today. I'm gonna bring you guys this video. I feel like that's more important to me right now. But yeah, man, dude, so over it. I guess the insurance is supposed to be coming out either today or not today, maybe tomorrow or something. So I'll keep you guys updated. Next day here, man, and we got some pretty good news, I guess. So the adjuster came by today and pretty much gave me a quote to fix it. They're not going to total it. He says it doesn't look totaled. He says it doesn't look like the frame rail is bent. So I'm guessing that's a good thing, but still going to take it to my body guy and see and make sure. Didn't even have to buy these stocks. I don't even know why I bought them, just wasted money. But we'll get those off, get the other wheels back on, or try to find some new ones and get these things sold. However, I'm probably going to be doing the rebuild myself on this. We're gonna have to get a whole new front end. Looks like we're gonna have to get a bumper, new inner tire liner or whatever, new inner tire fender over here, one of these little light brackets, a couple of stuff is bent up under here. However, the hood and stuff like that is good. The hood and the engine is good. Everything under here is, I guess it's okay. Yeah, we'll try to see exactly how we're gonna do this. So of course we got to get the bumper, new lights, new reinforcement bar, that little reinforcement foam that goes right there. We're probably gonna go with the Z01 front end. So I'm gonna find the Z01 front bumper for this. I'm trying to find the hood for it right now. I don't need a hood, but I'm gonna try to find a Z01 front hood for it. Also, remember I told you guys about this Camaro seat that was just worn? Yeah, I'm gonna grabbing the Z01 seats actually today, or well, I'm ordering them today. No telling when they'll be here, but I'm actually getting the Z01 steering wheel as well. Trying to figure out what else I can do to it, because I know, I mean, of course the front's gonna get refixed and then he's gonna repaint it over anyway, because as you guys know before, did have a rock chip there and then a couple more rock chips in the bumper. So I guess, you know what I mean, I guess it works out. So, you know, it is what it is at this point. But yeah, man, they gave me a pretty decent quote. I mean, me personally, I wasn't happy about it, but it is what it is. It'll get the car fixed and maybe possibly bring in another build, guys. So stay tuned for that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I actually was thinking about repainting the car, but I'm just like, I didn't even freaking go to nowhere in this color yet, so I gotta keep it this color and get some really great pictures in different states with. So thinking I might for now just keep the pink. Had a different color scheme in mind, but I'm just gonna hold off on that until the next car that I trick out. So we'll see how this works out. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. You know, it sucks, man, but hey, what can you do? You know, it's already done, crashed and everything, and you know, the person who hit my car already took 100% fault, so you know, I can't even be mad at it. So stay tuned and we'll see how this works out. We're probably gonna fix it ourselves and get this build going on the channel. So thanks, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe on the video. Helps me out a lot. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.